Hey, this is Glenn here, SHOT Show 2023. I was walking by the Palmetto State Armory booth and this caught my eye. I'm here with Mac. Mac, could you tell me more about this?
Sure, this is our STG-44 remake. It is chambered in 7.62 by 39, 5.56, 300 blackout, and the original 8mm curves. It is as faithful a copy as you can get for under 100 grand. That is domestically manufactured, comes from PSA, so it's going to have a lifetime warranty. Some viewers may recognize me. I used to own a company called Hill & Mac Gunworks, and this is the same gun as the HMG STG-44. Palmetto and I have been working together for a while to get this in production, and we since have, and it's been going very well. It's been a great, fantastic relationship with these guys. There are some customers that had pre-orders for this gun, and they'll be getting HMG guns still, and there won't be any more after that, and everybody going forward can still get a Palmetto State STG-44. Very similar to the original. There are a couple of small differences. For example, the originals were all threaded in M16 by one left hand. Well, nobody domestically has anything that does that. So these are now threaded half 28 and 5/8 24, depending on caliber. It is user caliber convertible. So under the handguard is a barrel nut, and that allows the end user to change out calibers as they want to. The magazines are a Stanag pattern magazine. So what that means is these are actually AR-15 compatible, and airbags will work inside this weapon.
Wow.
So every caliber that you get from Palmetto State or HMG, if you had an HMG gun, the external geometry is the same, but the internal geometry of the magazine changes depending on caliber.
Oh,
so you still have the look, it just changes based on what you need it to be.
Absolutely. Now, does this use the true to form Hanel tilt locking system?
Oh, absolutely. This is a, honest to God, tilting bolt mechanism. It's as close as you can get. Same sight picture, same weight, same recoil impulse. It's going to give you the STG shooting experience without having to, worry about dropping a $100,000 transferable gun in the dirt.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Or breaking a part that you can't get. Because it's a PSA gun, it's going to have a lifetime warranty, and any replacement parts that are needed, we'll warn out a recoil spring, etc. Of course, those are going to be available.
That's really fantastic. I think this is a great addition to the market, and I think you're going to find a lot of reenactors and people minded like that are going to be interested in this as well.
So for reenactors, we do have blank firing adapters, and you can use 5.56 blanks. That way you don't have to make your own blanks.
Oh, that's fantastic. I think that's great. That's very cool. Matt, could you tell me more about the pricing and availability on this?
So we haven't finalized on the MSRP. It's going to be a little north of 2. Everything costs more than it used to 5 years ago. It's just inflation. And then availability, we're going to be delivering these this year. We're not going to set an expectation. Heat treaters could do something, and we could have some fault, and we don't want to create a lofty expectation that we can't meet. So we want something that's more attainable.
Yeah, absolutely.
And more information, these are going to be available on Palmetto State's website as they become more and more closer to the release date.
Oh, awesome. I'm very looking forward to it. Thank you, Mac.
Absolutely.